everybody, I'm Professor Shipes. I'll be teaching you the Math 108 this summer semester. This summer semester goes from July 1st to August 1st. Okay, this is Math 108. It is all 100% online. We use the MyMathLab system in order to do our homework, quizzes, and tests. We host our lecture videos and lecture notes right on Blackboard. Most of the videos are hosted on YouTube, so the link and the video will be available on Blackboard, but it's hosted on YouTube, so you can watch it either place. And it's nice and easy. You can pause and rewind as you need to go through the video, watch it as many times as you need. All the lectures and videos are available up front, so you can watch them at any time you need to, and rewatch them at any time you need to. As far as MyMathLab, the homework and the tests and the quizzes go, we already have that set out. Okay, your assignments will become available Monday morning, and most assignments all assignments are due on Sunday except for the final exam. Okay, so all your assignments open on Monday and are due on Sunday. The only assignment that doesn't open on Monday are tests. Tests open on Thursday and they close on Sunday. The reason I do that is we have to take the test through the ProctorU system. Okay, and that's not my rule, that's the department's rule. So you do have to use the ProctorU system to take tests in this class. There is no way around that because this is a 100% online class, okay, during the summertime. Now, with that ProctorU, it's going to cost about $10 a test, okay, and you need to sign up for that early. I'll have the links for those within this week for all the exams throughout the entire semester. Okay, that math test will be hosted on MyMathLab, but you'll have to use the ProctorU system. Basically, all it is, somebody will come through on the ProctorU system. They'll set you up to take the test. They'll help you. You'll sign in on the MyMathLab. You'll get it all registered. They'll put in a password so that the test is acceptable and available to you. And then the entire time you will be recorded for academic honesty and dishonesty reasons, just to make sure that you are the actual one taking the test, because in the past we've had people try to take online classes so that they didn't have to take the test themselves, they could get somebody else to take it for them. Now with that ProctorU system, you do have to have a valid driver's license to show that you are the person that you say you are that's supposed to be taking the test. Just keep that in mind. You will need to sign up for that in advance. We'll have links for that on the Blackboard account. Shouldn't be an issue. Like I said, reiterate, we use MyMathLab. MyMathLab does cost a fee to use as well. You do not need a long subscription, so you don't need a year subscription, a 2-year subscription. You can buy the shorter subscription because this is only like a 31, 32-day class, so you don't have to have a really long subscription. The 14-day free trial will not get you through the whole class. Okay, and if you try to wait and start the class late with the 14-day trial to get you through the class, that won't work either because I do not reopen assignments. Like I said, most assignments open, almost all your assignments open on Monday, close on Sunday. The only exception is the test. The test opens on Thursday and it closes on Sunday. Okay, I don't reopen assignments because this is a really constricted time in which to have this class. It's an entire Math 108 semester shrunk down into a month. But just because it's shrunk down doesn't mean it has less material. It's all the material from a regular semester 108 class crammed into a month. Okay, that means you got to be on your P's and Q's and you have to stay on top of what you're doing. I would not recommend trying to cram each week all into one day or one night. It is a lot of material to take in and learn in a very short amount of time. If you struggle with math, this is going to be very difficult for you. I typically, personally, only recommend people take Math 108 online in 1 month if they are good in math and they're trying to knock this out of the way to get to a higher degree math class. If you struggle in math, the time it's going to take you to get caught up on some of the topics that you're not strong on is just not going to be there. So just think about that, because you don't have much drop and withdrawal time with this class either. So you really have to know what you're doing going in. That being said, I'm here to help, okay, as much as I can. If you ever have any issue whatsoever, please start out by reaching out to me by email. I check my email quite a few times a day. I get notifications on my phone every time I get an email, and I try to be as responsive as possible. Okay, If you can't get in touch with me by email, you can try calling me or texting me. That's fine. But please email me first. You're more likely to get a response there than you are any other kind of way, because that's linked directly to my cell phone. I can set up personal meetings with you. We can do Zooms. We can do Microsoft Team meetings. Anything that I can do to help you. But the first thing I'm going to ask you when we meet is, did you watch the lecture? Did you take notes? Did you try your homework? Those are my first questions. So if the answer to any of those is no, my first recommendation is going to be to go back and watch the lecture, take the notes with the lecture, and try the homework on your My Math Lab. Okay, I can't help you if you don't try. Okay, that's the main thing. You try. We're going to try our best to get you through on to where you need to go. Okay. I'm going to reiterate again, this is a very intense class in a very short amount of time. Okay, so please don't put off what you're doing. If you know the assignment's open on Monday, go ahead, try to knock one or two out on Monday, because we have a lot of assignments within a week that we are trying to go through. Okay, do not wait till Sunday evening at 9 o'clock to try to get everything done by midnight, because you can't get a week's worth of material done in 3 hours. I promise you can't. Unless you really, really know what you're doing, and you basically could pass a calculus class at this point, and you just have to take a Math 108 class just to zip through algebra as a check mark on your list. This, like I said, the intensity here and the amount and volume of work is just too much for that. Okay, plan ahead, do a little bit at a time, you'll be fine. Okay, but like I said, I do not extend. You have a week to do pretty much everything except the test. And even with the test, you got Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday you can take it. That's 4 days that you have available to take the test. Okay, so if you wait till Sunday at 9 o'clock to take your test and something goes wrong with your test and you can't get in touch with me because I'm going to be asleep at Sunday at 9 o'clock and you miss the test, that's on you. I'm not going to reset it because you have 4 days. You got 4 days. Sign up early. If something goes wrong and you decided to try it on Friday, you have 2 other days to try to figure out what went wrong to get it reset to take again. Okay, like I said, not trying to be difficult, just trying to tell you, plan ahead. Big class, short time. Big class in a short amount of time. But we're here to help you learn, and we're here to keep you on track. You'll receive regular emails through me, making sure you know that you're keeping up. I keep a tab on the My Math Lab. If I see you falling behind on assignments, I'm going to be reaching out to you by email. If you don't reply to me, if you don't catch up, there ain't nothing I can do for you. But I'm here to help. So please let me help if you need help. If you're good to go, you like to self-pace on your own, just knock things out, your grades look good, I'm not going to bother you. I'm going to let you keep going unless you need help. Okay? But I'm going to reach out to you on regular intervals. If I see you falling behind, I'm going to reach out to everybody on regular intervals just to let you know of what's coming up. Hey, double check these ProctorU links. Make sure you go ahead and sign up for ProctorU early so they don't charge you any late charges, this, that, and the other. Okay? I look forward to helping everybody and teaching everybody this semester. If you have any issues or any problems, reach out to me soon and let me know. Don't wait. Reach out to me as soon as you have the problem. My Math Lab will not open and be available for registration until tomorrow, July 1st at like 8 a.m. Okay? I don't let people sign up early because I don't want you paying all this money and then you might decide to drop or something might change last minute. You can only sign up on the first day of class. Okay? Now, there is a little window in there for the first week of class where you can sign up for My Math Lab, so don't think you miss registration on Monday, you can't sign up on Tuesday. That's fine. But you can't sign up any earlier than Monday. Okay? Have any problems with that, let me know. Reach out to me by email. Be more than happy to help you with it. Other than that, like I said, any problems, any issues, any confusions, reach out, let me know. Don't wait. I'd rather you do it early. The earlier you do it, the more likely it is I can help you, we can get it figured out. Now, I look forward, once again, I repeat myself a lot, and I do that for a reason, because I've done this for quite a while now, and I know the things that people come back and ask, and I'm like, I repeated that 4 times in my video, I don't know how you missed it, so I'm just going to repeat it the 5th time. I'm here to help. I look forward to seeing y'all this semester. Good luck with it. Don't hesitate to reach out. Alright, I'll see y'all on the first lecture video.